ow'ekigombe kya National Resistance Movement Diana Kampe ampeire owabira yesimbira aha ntebe y'obunyishengyero bw'eminyeto aha ntebe y'abishiki akahaba b'omu kooti ya Chief Magistrate omu rurembo rwa Hoima arikuhakanisa obusinguzi bwa Masekanyesije omu karuuru aka. Akaruuru aka kakaterwa habiri omukaaga by'okwezi oku kandi Masekanyesije niwe yarangirirwe nk'omusinguzi n'obururu 2016 arikukuratwa Diana Kampe wayihireyo obururu 198 Julia Muhumuza akihayo obururu 24 kandi uwo wa Nup Namande akihayo akaruuru kamwe bita habiri 11 by'okwezi oku Diana kahababira Masekanyesije akakiiko k'ebyobururu hamwe na Jennifer Chobutungi owarangirire bya rugero mu karuuru aka kote katandika kuhurira omushango ogukutandika hiizooba ry'Orwakataano 2013 okwezi oku. Omu mpababa ye kurabira omu rubapurida barimu Enoch Besigye hamwe na Brian Cooper bihayo omu kooti ebembirwe Omuramuzi George Kunihira babiire nibenda ngu bagarukemu okubara akaruuru Omuramuzi Ahindugire.
The court to one conclusion that most likely the box was tampered with. And I got to that conclusion was on a balance of probability. Yes, so this court believed on a balance of probability that the ballot box in question was tampered with. And as already highlighted, there are several authorities on a vote recount that have guided that once a box has been tampered with, then the court should not proceed with the vote recount, but rather call it off immediately, since the purpose of the vote recount, which is basically aimed at ascertaining the accuracy of the votes counted and declared, can no longer be achieved.
Perezida wa Masekanyesije Asumani Basarwa asimira Omuramuzi habw'enchomu bitwe Brian Cooper perezida wa Diana agizire ngu nibija kujurra.
Tugiraze nti box eyakolebwa eyalimu obululu yakwatibwamu. Tugiraze nti waliwo obululu obwabalibwa mu box naye nga mu box obutobo tebulimu. Netubalaga nti waliwo namba ez'enjawulo ezibadde zirabika ku bululu naye nga obululu obwo tebulimu. Netubalaga nti n'essiimu zennyini enamba ku ssiimu zaali teziriiko. Baatugamba muziri naye twasanze nga teziriiko.
The issue of serial numbers being repeated by as a result of the printing process is not for the court to investigate. That is an audit, because the court was presuming that what was printed is different from what is in the box. In the printing process, a number can be repeated. You can have 34 2 times. Now, for the court to presuppose that that was tampering, that was totally wrong.
We Masekanyesije ashabire kuhabaho enkwatanisa bakasya enshonga z'eminyeto mu paramenti.
Sindika message eno okugenda eri abavubuka mu ggwanga lyonna abankuliza oba abali mu kunda baziyisaako. Mwebale nnyo kumpa power oba obukulembeze era nga mbasuubiza nti ngenda kukola nammwe tusabinge abavubuka bonna mu ggwanga.
Amakuru aga gashakwa Ambrose Nuwagaba Katoto.